Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell on Shopee Philippines or how to become a seller on Shopee Philippines. So as you can see right here, I have my Shopee Seller Center account. So this is how it looks like. You'd be able to see here your orders, mass shipping, handover center, and you also have here your product section, and you can also add here your new product. Now for the marketing center, we have here marketing center, Shopee ads, affiliate marketing, live and video, discount, your shop's flash deals, vouchers, campaign, best price in Shopee. Okay, so you have here your to-do list to process shipment, return, refund, and cancel. So you'd be able to see those numbers right here. And now for your business insights, so you have here your sales, visitors, the number of visitors, your product clicks, orders, order conversion rate, and then you also have here your Shopee ads. Okay, so you have your affiliate marketing solutions, and you have here the different campaigns that you can join. Okay, now to have this account, all you have to do is to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Shopee Philippines or Shopee.ph. That's right, and you'd be redirected to this website. Okay, so right here, as you can see at the top, we have the Seller Center, the Start Selling, the Download, and the Follow Us on the social media options. So you just have to click on the Start Selling. Okay, so make sure that you have logged into your account. So to check if you have already logged in, just simply click on your profile at the top right. So this one right here, and then just click on your account. Now let's go ahead and click on the start selling. Okay, that's right. So just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my Shopee seller account. Now, if you want to create a new account, so just simply click on your profile right here. And then you just have to log out and then add your Shopee account. So, see for example, you're already signed up, so you just have to follow all of those simple process. It is a step-by-step process where you have to upload your ID for verification, and then adding your email address for verification purposes, and all of the important details to verify that you are a seller and a legit seller on Shopee. Okay, so after that, right here, as you can see, we have the products option. Okay, now just simply click on the My Products. So here on My Product section, you'd be able to see here all of the products that you have added. So as of the moment, we don't have any products yet because I just created this account for the example. Okay. Now, to add a new product, you can simply click on this add a new product at the top right, or simply click on this option right here. Okay. So here, just simply click on the add new product. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Now, for the basic information of your product, you just have to start with adding a product images. So we have a one by one image. So just have to add it right here. So we have up to 9 images that we can upload here. Okay, so after that, you can also add here the video. So the size of the video should be max 30 MB. The resolution should not exceed the 1280 by 1280 pixels. Okay, and then for the duration should be 10 seconds to 60 seconds, and the format should be MP4. And note that you can publish this listing while the video is being processed. So video will be shown in listings once successfully processed. So you just have to click on this option, and for the image, this option right here. Okay, so the filling suggestions we have here: add at least 3 images, add a video, add characters for name to 25 to 100, and add at least 100 characters or one image for description, and of course, add your brand info. Okay, and then here, do not forget the name of your product. So just simply type out right here the name of your product. Okay, and then you have to select your category. Okay, so for example, we have this one. Okay, and click on confirm. Okay, so comfortable wear. So I'm just going to name this one as comfortable wear. Okay, now for GTIN. So if this item doesn't have a GTIN, you just have to simply click on this box. Okay, and then again for the product description, you can add at least 100 characters or one image for the description. So that should be enough, a one image. Okay, now for the specification, of course, you have to complete 0 out of 13. Fill in more attributes to boost the exposure of your product. Okay, so we have here the brand. So you have to add your brand. That's right. And then the plus size. So you have to select the plus size and then type out the country of origin, the material, the crop top, the neckline, the occasion, the petite, and then the pattern, the season. So the specification should be filled out. Okay. And then for the sales information, so you can also enable the variations for this one. Okay, and of course, do not forget the price of this product. So just simply add here the price of the product and then the number of stock. So, say for example, we have about maybe 12 pieces stock of this product. Okay, and then for the size chart, we have template or image. So here you just have to add a new size chart. Okay, and then after that, for the shipping, you have to add here the weight, the parcel size, and then the shipping fee. Okay. And then if this one is pre-order, you can click on the chat on the yes option or the no option. Okay. And then after that, you have to click on the save and publish option. So once you click the save and publish option, you'll be able to view now your product. So this is the preview of your product. Okay. So when someone visit your Shopee store, this is how it looks like. So this is the product details. So you have here your image. Okay, and then the number of variations, the name of the product, and then the name of your store. We also have the specification and then the description. So after filling out everything, you just have to simply click on the save and publish. So you just have to repeat the process if you want to add more products to your store. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.